Hello and good morning. This is your host Burhan and welcome to the third lecture of the NFT Masterclass, where we teach you everything there is to NFTs so that you can be able to trade NFTs on your own. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get right into it. So in this video, we'll talk about the different kinds of wallets there are, why do you need a wallet, and how you can set up your own wallet. And we'll also give an introduction of what OpenSea is and also give you a brief overview of the whole interface of OpenSea. Let's get right into it. So why do you need a crypto wallet? First of all, you need somewhere to store crypto, just like your bank. So you might have heard about the different exchanges like Binance and KuCoin, etc. However, you need to have a personal wallet. Now, wallet comes in many shapes and forms, but there are two types of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. There's just one major thing that differentiates between these two. An hot wallet is connected to the internet while a cold wallet isn't. So a hot wallet might be the different exchanges that they are like Binance, KuCoin, etc. while a cold wallet isn't connected to the internet and you don't necessarily need to use the internet to get access of your funds. So hot wallets include like exchanges like Binance and Metamask, which we'll be coming on to, and then there are cold wallets, which are ledgers where you can store your crypto privately. So it's like a tiny USB where you can store your crypto there, and it's better if you have large amounts of cryptocurrency, better if you store your crypto on cold wallets. Now, moving on, well, you need Ethereum generally to start trading into cryptocurrency, since Ethereum is the most common form of crypto that is used in trading NFTs. Well, there are others such as Solana and stuff like that, but as for this video, we'll only be focusing on Ethereum. So how do you get Ethereum? So let's go on to my computer screen to know how. So if you can see here, this is the website binance.com. so when you come here, you can just make your own account here and you can buy Ethereum through P2P trading, or if your country allows, you can also directly use your debit card, credit card and direct bank wise transfer to get USDT. So you need to buy USDT to actually start trading. So we'll get more into that detail, and you can also I'll also get a link in the description where you can check out in more detail on how to buy USDT and how you can get Ethereum in your Binance. But for the sake of this video, I'll just tell you that USDT is the actual equivalent of the US dollar in cryptocurrencies. So US dollar is a fiat currency, which we talked about in the last video, and USDT is the crypto equivalent of USD, the US dollar. So you can just go to Binance, go to trade, and there you can go to the spot wallets, and here you can buy a couple of Ethereum, how much you like. And then once you have downloaded Binance and once you have Ethereum in your wallet, you can move on to how you can set up your Metamask. So coming on to Metamask, here's Metamask, metamask.io. This is the most basic, this is the most used mobile wallet for NFTs and to buy anything to interact with DAPPs, decentralized applications. So this is how Metamask looks like. Let's download it. Just click on download, Chrome for Chrome, install Metamask for Chrome. It takes a little while. Just click add to Chrome, add extension. All right, I think it's okay. So this is what you see when you start. So create a new wallet. All right, I agree. Now you have to create a password. Now obviously I'll skip this process. Now there's one thing that you need to make sure while making a wallet, that you do not have to remember it. Metamask will show you a secret recovery phase. You have to make sure that you do not lose it and you do not share that with anyone. I repeat, with anyone. Just write it down on a piece of paper or on anything that you trust, where do not write it in just a note or take a picture of that, because that can create some serious problems. Because if anyone else gets access to your secret wallet, then they basically have access to all your funds, and you do not want that to happen. So yeah, secure my wallet, find me later. For the sake of the video, I'll just skip this. Got it. Next. Done. so why not. You can enable OpenSea API, so it just shows you the types of your NFTs in your wallet. This is how it looks like once you have set it up. So it shows you your assets, like this is the number of ETH I have, my NFTs, my activity. Now if you see this is your account, and this is your wallet address. Now you have to make sure you copy this correctly, because like this is what we will be using to transfer transfer Ethereum from our Binance to Metamask. So coming on to this, you'll just copy this and come back to Binance. So once you have copied that, you come here, and here you can just input Ethereum here. So just copy paste your address in here, select. Now this is a very crucial step. You have to select the correct network. So just select ERC20. This is what's used for Metamask and all Ethereum based transactions. And here you can, whatever amount you have, just input that in here and click withdraw. So this is basically a very easy way how you can transfer crypto, Ethereum, anything from your Binance to your Metamask. Now that you have set up your Metamask, you have transferred your funds and everything, we are moving on to OpenSea. Now what is OpenSea? OpenSea is basically a marketplace for NFTs. So as Binance is a marketplace for crypto, is an exchange for crypto, OpenSea is more or less a marketplace, is more or less a place, is more or less an exchange where you can buy and sell NFTs. So just come here and connect your wallet. Here it is Metamask. It will open a side window, and here it will just give you an instruction. You can just say next, allow, connect, and this is it pretty much. And here you go, you have made your OpenSea account. Pretty easy. So just an overview of the interface. Here's what OpenSea looks like. So here you can see the top and trending collections. The trending collections is Pepe, which is crazy hype these days. And now here is your, once you come on here you can see your profile. This is my account. This is not my private account, so yeah. So this is how it would look like once you set up. That is on this you will see the NFTs that you've collected, that you've created, favorited, activity, and much more. So yeah, you can customize this according to you, and it's all up to you. So for this video, I'll just showed you an introduction of what wallets are, how you can set up your own wallet, how you can buy crypto, how you can buy Ethereum, how you can make your own MetaMask wallet, and how to transfer crypto from Binance to Metamask. And we also get to know about OpenSea, what OpenSea is, and how you can basically make your OpenSea account, which is pretty easy. You just have to connect your wallet in there. So yeah, that was pretty much it for this video, and I hope you liked this and hope you learned something from this video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and push that bell button so you don't miss out on the next video. Alright, bye bye.